Have you ever wondered if the food on your plate could be your strongest weapon against cancer? Imagine if every bite you took could not only nourish you but also help protect your body from one of the most feared diseases in the world. Sounds incredible, right? Well, science says it's more possible than you think. Today, I'm going to share 12 powerful foods, many you already have in your kitchen, that have been linked to cancer prevention and, in some cases, even helping your body fight it off. And when we get to food number 7, I guarantee you'll see your meals in a whole new way. Stick with me until the end because you're going to walk away with an actionable plan to make these cancer-fighting foods part of your daily life. Let's start with something delicious. 1. Berries. Nature's cellular armor. Blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, strawberries. These are not just colorful snacks. They are tiny shields for your cells. Why? Because they're packed with antioxidants and fiber compounds that work in multiple layers, protecting your cells at a deep, cellular level. Picture your cells like soldiers in constant battle, under attack from free radicals and inflammation. The antioxidants in berries, particularly anthocyanins, which give berries their vibrant colors, act like armor, helping prevent DNA damage and allowing your immune system to detect and eliminate abnormal, potentially cancerous cells. Research from the American Institute for Cancer Research links regular berry consumption to lower rates of colon and breast cancers. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that people who consumed berries regularly had significantly lower levels of inflammatory markers in their blood. Here's a secret most people miss. Frozen berries are almost as powerful as fresh ones, sometimes even more so because they're frozen at peak ripeness. So even if it's off-season, you can get their benefits year-round. Try adding a handful to your morning smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal for an instant cancer-fighting boost. 2-3. The dynamic duo. Citrus fruits and cruciferous vegetables. Now, let's move to a powerful but often overlooked combination: citrus fruits and cruciferous vegetables. Think oranges, lemons, grapefruits paired with broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. Citrus fruits deliver vitamin C and flavonoids like hesperidin and naringenin that help repair cell damage, boost collagen production, and keep your immune system sharp. The vitamin C content is particularly important because it helps regenerate other antioxidants in your body, creating a protective network. But cruciferous vegetables bring something extra special: compounds called glucosinolates, which break down into substances like sulforaphane that literally program cancer cells to self-destruct through a process called apoptosis. Broccoli sprouts, in particular, can contain up to 100 times more of these compounds than mature broccoli, making them one of the most concentrated sources of cancer-fighting compounds available. The synergy between these two food groups is remarkable. The vitamin C from citrus helps preserve and activate the beneficial compounds in cruciferous vegetables. Ever tried a citrus kale salad? It's not only refreshing but also a science-backed way to protect your body from within. 4-7. Pantry powerhouses: garlic, tomatoes, turmeric, and ginger. Speaking of flavor, let's talk about some pantry staples you might already love. And here's where food number 7 will change how you see your meals forever. Garlic contains organosulfur compounds like allicin that can boost immune function and, in laboratory studies, slow or stop the growth of cancer cells. The key is to crush or chop garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking to maximize these beneficial compounds. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful carotenoid antioxidant that's especially effective when cooked. Think tomato sauce, soup, or paste. The heat breaks down cell walls, making lycopene more bioavailable. Studies show that men who consume tomato products regularly have significantly lower rates of prostate cancer. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is famous for its anti-inflammatory and potential anti-cancer effects. But here's the game changer. Paired with black pepper, its absorption increases by up to 2000% thanks to piperine, a compound in black pepper that enhances bioavailability. Ginger contains gingerol and other compounds with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's particularly effective against digestive system cancers and can help reduce nausea during cancer treatment. Just imagine, your everyday spaghetti sauce could become a cancer-fighting meal simply by adding fresh garlic, quality tomatoes, a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of black pepper. This is food as medicine at its finest. 8-9. The Fat Revolution. Fatty fish and nuts and hemp seeds. Now, here's where I might surprise you. For years, many people have feared fats, but certain fats are not the enemy. They're essential allies in the fight against cancer. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies are rich in omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA, which can help reduce inflammation and slow cancer cell growth. These same fats also protect your heart, support brain function, and may lower the risk of breast, colon, and prostate cancers. The American Cancer Society recommends eating fish at least twice per week. Nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, provide another source of healthy fats along with fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Walnuts specifically contain alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 that studies suggest may slow prostate cancer growth. Just a small handful a day, about an ounce, provides these benefits while helping maintain a healthy weight, which is critical for cancer prevention. Remember, moderation is key. A handful is plenty, as nuts are calorie-dense. 10-11. Fiber powerhouses. Beans and whole grains. And now for one of the most underestimated cancer fighters, beans and whole grains. Lentils, black beans, chickpeas, oats, quinoa, and brown rice are all packed with fiber and resistant starch. High-fiber diets are strongly linked to lower risk of colorectal and other digestive cancers. The World Cancer Research Fund states that for every 10 grams of fiber consumed daily, colorectal cancer risk decreases by 10%. These foods also feed your beneficial gut bacteria, creating short-chain fatty acids that protect colon cells and regulate blood sugar levels. The magic number? Aim for at least 25-30 grams of fiber daily. 1 cup of cooked black beans provides about 15 grams, half your daily target in one serving. Bonus: getting enough fiber can help you maintain a healthy weight, which is important because excess body weight increases the risk for at least 13 types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, kidney, and pancreatic cancers. 12. The ancient elixir. Green tea. Finally, one of the simplest, most time-tested habits, green tea. For centuries, cultures in Asia have enjoyed it daily, and science now confirms it's packed with catechins, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, and other plant compounds that may help prevent cancer and even support recovery after treatment. Green tea has been linked to lower risks of breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Laboratory studies show that EGCG can inhibit cancer cell growth, reduce inflammation, and even help prevent the formation of new blood vessels that tumors need to grow. Plus, it may help with chemo brain, that mental fog some people experience after cancer treatment. 1 to 3 cups a day, unsweetened, is all it takes to reap these benefits. For maximum potency, steep for 3-5 minutes and drink while warm. Your action plan: making it work. So let's recap the 12 cancer-fighting foods you can start enjoying today. Berries, citrus fruits, cruciferous vegetables, garlic, tomatoes, turmeric, ginger, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, beans, whole grains, and green tea. The secret isn't finding one magic food, it's combining them strategically, making small consistent changes, and building a long-term lifestyle that supports your body's natural defenses. Start with adding just 1 or 2 of these foods to each meal, and gradually build your cancer-fighting arsenal. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because in the next video, I'm going to share the 7 daily habits that can cut your cancer risk in half and boost your energy at the same time. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.